Hi guys! So Anna's here. She is going to read you some stories and we thought you might want to see your classroom. So we're just going to show you that everything's still here waiting for you when you come back. Look guys, Anna found the babies. Yeah, the babies are missing you guys. You guys remember the babies? Yeah, they all are waiting for you. And look at your little kitchen. It's full of food and playing some cards for you guys to play. Remember our small birthday party we had in the classroom? Yeah. And look at all the books we used to read during our subject time. Because we have added some new books for you guys when you come back and you guys can enjoy. Look at the Elmo book you have. Hi friends, how are you?
Hi Elmo.
My friends.
Elmo misses you too.
Hi my little friends, how are you all doing? This is Anna. I just came to daycare today to read some stories for you guys. So let me start with the stories. So today I'm going to read the Brown Bear, what do you see? Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? I see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. The end. The second book I'm going to read is Time for Bed, Elmo. Elmo's babysitter says, it's time to go to bed, but Elmo needs his pillow plump and one more story read. He has to turn his nightlight on and close the closet door, and he has to put his toys away. He left them on the floor. He has to check beneath the bed to see if something is there. He needs the window open. Monsters like a little air. He would better make a potty trip. He just might need to use it. And screw the toothpaste cap on tight. He wouldn't want to lose it. He will want a cup of water next to him for nighttime sipping. Oh, it sounds like someone left the bathroom faucet tripping. Elmo did not pet the cat, he did not feed the fish, and while he is up, he will find a star and make a little wish. He is checking all his boo-boos. Here is a new one on his knee. Elmo needs a band-aid on it. Do you want to see it? He will try the potty yet again. He just might have to go. He would better close the window now. It looks like it might snow. He has to straighten up the books and stack the building blocks and find that missing puzzle piece and pick up all his socks. Maybe he will get sleepy if he tries some exercise. Elmo, calls the babysitter. Time to close your eyes. Elmo dear, the sitter calls. Now not another peep. Maybe you can help him out by softly counting sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my, the sitter whispers. The monster is sound asleep. Good night, Elmo. The end. Bye bye, my friends. Now it's time to go. I hope you enjoy the stories and you guys like it watching the classroom. I really miss you guys and I wish to see you soon. Bye everybody.